Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some stock market news, including the global IT issue that we are currently experiencing. If you're interested in the stock market, saving, investing, finance as a whole, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out my channel membership and my referral links for Moo Moo, Webull, and more. So, let's get started. First, we're going to talk about CrowdStrike. And if you haven't heard, they recently experienced a significant outage that sent their stock plummeting. It impacted so many different things related to Microsoft. I'm sure you saw in the news. Has affected airports, hospitals, just everything around us. So, CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company that's been doing pretty well in the market. But as with any company, technical issues can have a big impact. And we are seeing that today. The outage affected their services, which led to a lot of panic among investors. Short sellers who bet the stock would drop made a significant profit from this situation. I was looking at an article, it said 371 million was made by short sellers related to just CrowdStrike. So, as I note so often, this is how the stock market can be unpredictable and why it is essential to stay informed. What can we learn from this? This is why we keep our portfolios diversified. We can't have our portfolio heavily impacted by something like this occurring. Even companies with strong fundamentals can run into and face unexpected challenges. So, even before today's issue with CrowdStrike, there was a significant tech sell off that was occurring, which had many investors worried throughout this week. Tech stocks have been on a roller coaster, and this sell off was part of the volatility. However, it looks like we are on track for a rebound. And for me, I have to always keep in mind that investing is for the long term. And I have to be ready for these market fluctuations, which are normal, but for some can be very unnerving because you're just not having your long term vision when you're looking at your investments. So we always have to have a well thought out investment plan. So before we take a look at some stocks that were heavily impacted today, we have to, as I said, remember that technical issues like what happened with CrowdStrike can happen to any company. So we have to prioritize mitigating our risk, stay informed about the news, and you may need to be patient and not let the market volatility impact your decision, maybe leading to you selling an investment at a loss when it potentially could recover. If you put in the work, did your research before adding it to your portfolio, continue to evaluate to see if you can just stick with your original plan, even when you're facing the dips in the market and you are worried about the volatility and decline in your stock price. So, what I'm saying is have a clear head so you can make rational decisions. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks that we heard in the news today regarding this global IT issue. So, we have CrowdStrike here. They are down 11.10% today. On the month, they are down 20.20%. So they already were having a struggle over the last few weeks. Now let's take a look at Tesla. On the day, Tesla is down 4.02%. Their earnings are coming up next week, I believe on the 23rd. Tesla shares are trading lower following a 24% drop in California registrations. It also reported that it had to halt some production lines due to the Microsoft CrowdStrike outage. Elon Musk said that the company deleted CrowdStrike from all of its systems. So, just an example of a large company that we all know that was impacted by CrowdStrike today. But I'm sure I could give you so many examples of hospitals, banks, airlines that were impacted today. Stay focused on your long term goals. Keep learning and don't be discouraged, even if you do have a setback when it comes to your investments. Every success story, if you're being truthful, has some challenges along the way. What sets you apart is if you keep going, evaluate your mistakes, and stay in confidence that you can do this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, how were you affected by this IT outage today? Is technology an area that you are still building on in your portfolio? Are you able to take advantage of any pullbacks of particular tech stocks on weeks like we just had? So check out my referral links for Webull and Moo Moo. They'll be in the description and pinned in the comments. Both great investing platforms. And share, how are you dealing with market volatility? What is your long-term strategy? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, bye.